Assalamu alaikum, dear students, class fifth subject English. Today we are going to write some living places of some animals. Number one, horse. Horse, living place, stable. Number two, lion. Its living place is den. Number three, chicken. Its living place is coop. Number four, bird. Its living place is nest. Number five, cow. Its living place is shed. Number six, rabbit. Its living place is burrow. Number seven, spider. Its living place is web. Number eight, bee. Its living place is hive. Number 9, fish. Its living place is water. Number 10, owl. Its living place is tree. Dear students, thanks for today. Assalamu alaikum.